sex is better than having a toothache. I don't feel I wasn't going to even do a video, but I love y'all so much, and I wanted to dive in and just say sex is better than having a toothache. I know women will dispute this, but they have said that a toothache is equivalent or on the same level as giving birth. But nonetheless, having a toothache can make you drowsy. It can make you want to chop your own head off, jump off a building. My left arm feels numb, feels like it's weakening. If you feel a toothache coming on, you got to do something. So I want to ask God again for forgiveness for my idea of fornication. Sugar is a substitute for sex, and so I've been sugaring myself out. And so what happens, something's got to give, and the tooth is what that is. So this is like a war. Prince said it. And I would rather be on the couch making love than sitting here throbbing with a toothache. So I don't know about y'all, but sex is definitely better than a damn toothache. So word to Chris Brown. Love y'all. Ah.